So I just got these new nesting pads from My Favorite Chicken. We got some new chicks and I'm so excited to put this new bedding in there for them when they're ready to start nesting. Thank you so much, My Favorite Chicken, for sending me these pads to try out. So let's open them up and I'm going to tell you my thoughts about them. So this is what the pads look like. They're the nesting material on one side and then they also have a paper backing on the back side. The things that I really love about these nesting pads is, first of all, they're biodegradable. And I also love that they are made in the United States. So anything that's made in the US these days is a bonus for me. Let's put them in the nesting boxes and see how they fit. If you're looking for some really easy solution for nesting bedding that's easy to change, that absorbs moisture really well, then I would definitely check out these nesting pads by My Favorite Chicken.